Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you some of the key features of the Chromebook keyboard. The first one that I want to show you is the trackpad or the touchpad, and you can see that here. And quite simply, all it does is if you use one finger, it will move your mouse around. If I'm on a page that you can scroll on, if I use two fingers, don't push, just put two fingers gently on the screen or on the trackpad, it will move your screen up and down. If I push with one finger, it will click on whatever the mouse is on, whatever the cursor is on. And if I click with two fingers, it's going to bring, it's like a right click, it's going to bring up a different drop down or pop up menu. And that is the trackpad. The next one that I would like to show you is the magnifying glass, which is on the left, and you can see that here. And what that will do is it will bring up your all the apps that you have available to you. So once I click on that magnifying glass, I can then use my trackpad and my cursor, my mouse, to click on the up arrow, and it will show you any of the apps that you have available to you. If I put my two fingers on the trackpad lightly and move down, it will show me any apps that aren't on the first page, and you can see that I have multiple pages over here on the right. So I can then click on any of those and it will open that up. To get out of this, I can press the magnifying glass again, and it will bring me back to this main page. Another way you can get to your apps is to use your trackpad and come down all the way to the left, and you'll see this little circle. If I click on that, it will do the same thing as clicking on that magnifying glass. The next one that I'd like to show you is the space bar. So if I have a document up, or if I just need to type in some website, I can begin to type. And if I don't click the space bar, all of my words just run together. If I do click the space bar, it gives me a space, and now it looks correct, and you get the spaces in between your words. The next one I want to show you is the Enter key. That's all the way on the right. You can see that here. So the Enter key has a couple of different features. So the first one would be if I'm typing something and I want to get down to the next line, I click on Enter, and now I have a new line. Another feature of it is if I am on a website and I type something in and I click Enter, it's going to act as clicking on that sign in button, and it's going to take you, or it's going to log you in, or whatever the feature might be that you would have clicked on, but the Enter button does it for you. Next one I want to show you is the Shift key, and you can see that here. As you can see, when I was typing first, I don't have any capital letters there. Now it does capitalize it because I'm on a new line, but if I wanted to type my name and I don't press the Shift key down, it's just going to be lowercase. However, if I press the Shift key, hold it down, and while I'm holding down the Shift key, I press the letter, it's going to give me a capital letter. Finally, I'd like to show you the Backspace. You can see that here. If I type something incorrectly and I don't want it on the screen anymore, I can simply click on that Backspace button, and it's going to get rid of anything that's to the left of it, and it will disappear. those are the main features of the keyboard, most of them that you will be using this year. There are some other features. You may discover those throughout the year, but I just wanted to get you started. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me and I would be happy to help.